Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you real quick how to create a Shopify account in Australia. So if you live in Australia, Shopify has a 3 month for $3 discount plan going on right now. If you want to get this discount, you can click the link in the description below. You will get 3 months for only $1 each month. So after that, you will pay the normal price. So when you click on the link, you will come to this page, and then you can just click start free trial. And then when you click on start free trial, you can see all these options. So you can click skip, and then here you can choose where you want to sell your product. If you want to dropship, you can use that one, an online store. And then if you're not sure, you can click right here, I'm not sure, and then just click next. And then when you come right here, they ask you what do you want to sell, which service you want to sell. You can choose which one you prefer, but I will choose that one, dropshipping product, and then just click next. And then right here, make sure you choose your country. So if you live in Australia, you can scroll up. As you can see, there's Australia right here, and then you can scroll down and then just click next. And then the next thing, you will sign up with your email. So I'm going to sign up with my email address real quick. So now I already signed in with my account. It says creating your account. Now my account already create. So it will take a couple seconds to fix. There you go. Now my account already create. As you can see, it says your trial just start. So make sure you click right here on select plan. And then as you can see, just $1. So I'm going to choose the basic plan for $1. So when you use this link, you will get this $1 plan. And then I'm just going to choose it. And then next, I'm just going to add my credit card and my business address. And then I'm going to click right here, confirm billing cycle. And then I'm going to fill out all those details and then save my address. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click right here on, as you can see, the total is $1. I'm going to click right here on subscribe and then pay with my credit card. So when I finish pay with my credit card, I can go now to finish customize my store. If you click on online store, you can choose a theme for your store. I will preferably choose that one, name down, and then just click add. And then when you add your theme, it will take maybe 30 seconds to load up. And then when it's finished load up, you can click right here, publish theme, and then finish setting up your store. So again guys, this is how you create a Shopify account and start building your store in Australia. I will leave you a link in the description on how to customize your Shopify online store.